How to send USDT from Huobi exchange to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can send USDT from Huobi exchange to Binance. So it's a very simple process. First thing, you have to go and open up your Binance application. So for that, type in binance.com. In my case, I'm using a web browser as the interface won't appear. After that, you need to log in into your Binance account, and once you're logged in, you have to select the asset that you wish to go ahead with, and next page you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer, and now copy the wallet address. As you're done copying the wallet address, exit out of your Binance and then go ahead and log in into your Huobi exchange. After you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page where you have to go and tap on the transfer button. As you click on the transfer button, you need to select the asset that you're transferring, and accordingly you have to enter in the exact amount, and you also need to enter in the wallet address that you've recently copied. As you're done pasting the wallet address, then you need to confirm all of the detail and make sure that you have enough funds. After you're done with that procedure, move on to the next step or the last step, where you need to confirm the transaction by tapping on the confirm button, and then you'll be notified with a statement that you've successfully sent USDT from Huobi exchange to Binance. So in that way, you can send USDT from Huobi exchange to Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.